Alright, welcome to this video tutorial on how to integrate your Voguepay payment gateway to your order page. So the first thing you need to do to integrate your payment gateway, and that's your Voguepay payment gateway to your maybe your sales page or your order page, whichever one you want to use. The first step is to create a Voguepay account. And it's very simple to do that. You just go to voguepay.com, click on register, and then you fill out the form that they'll give to you, and that is all for creating the account. So when you create your Voguepay account, this is the dashboard of my own account. That's my Voguepay account. So when you're done creating your Voguepay account, and you've done all necessary confirmations that you're meant to do for the account, then you come back to your WordPress website, and then you come to the order page. The other page is where you have your payment buttons. So you come to the order page, and then you click on edit with Thrive Architect. So you allow it to load. Okay, now it's done loading. So before I continue, in the other tutorial I forgot to mention that for every changes you make on Thrive team, you come down to this place and save. That's in the tutorial on how to integrate your autoresponder account to your squeeze page, I forgot to mention it. So whatever changes you make on Thrive team, you must come down to this place and save. If you forget to if you fail to save your if you forget to come here to save, all your changes will still maintain the same. It will still go back to the former position it was. So whatever changes you make on Thrive team, you scroll down to this place and then you click on save. So having established that, we can continue. So now I'm on the other page of my of the erectile dysfunction product. So this is where I want to put my payment button. So this is where I want to put the button. So what I'll do is I'll go back to Voguepay to go and create the button. I'll create the button on Voguepay, and then I'll drag it to this place and put it here. So now I've logged into my Voguepay account already. So this is my Voguepay account. I'll come down to this place, this job done, then developers, and then I'll click on buy now button and allow it to load. Okay, now it's done loading. So I'm going to fill out this form. And then create the button. So the first you don't need to fill out everything. There's some few columns you are meant to touch. The ones that have asterisk on them, those are the ones that are required. So I'll come to this first one, and then I'll click on the button. I want my button to be red, so I'm going to select buy now red. I want the button to be red, and the text inscription I want to be on my button is buy now. I don't want it to be subscribe. I don't want it to be make payment. I want it to be buy now. So I'll click on this one. Then so this is a preview of the button. Then I'll scroll down, and okay, for this part, success URL, what it means is when they are done clicking on the button and then they made payment, where do you send them to? What should be the next place for them to go to? So I'll put the web address of my thank you page here. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy the web address of my thank you page, and then I'll put it here. So it's very simple to do that. You just you go back to your Thrive team dashboard again, and to your WordPress dashboard rather. Then you come to this is the thank you page. You click on it so you can be able to copy the link. So I'm going to click on it now, and then allow it to load. Okay, now it's done loading. So I'll come over to this place, and then I'll copy the link of my thank you page. So now I've copied the link, so I'll take it back to the Voguepay form where I'm creating my button, and then I'll paste it here, so that when my subscribers are done making payments, they will be sent to the thank you page. So so the next step is I'll come down here, and then I'll type in the name of my product. So I'm going to call it erectile dysfunction course. So I'm going to call it erectile dysfunction course, and then you can leave this place blank, and I'll put my price here. So I want to sell the course for I want to sell it at 10,000 naira. So you can put whatever price you want to put here. So uh, so I'm done filling out the form. So the next thing is to click on submit and get button. So I've submitted. So this is the HTML code for the button. This is the button, and then this is the HTML embed code. So what I'll do next is to copy out this whole code. I'll copy out the whole thing. Please make sure you copy out everything. So you copy out the whole code, and then I'll take you back to my to Thrive team. So now I'm on Thrive team now. So you come over to this side of Thrive team where you have the Thrive team tools and features, and then you scroll down to where you have custom HTML. So this is it. You scroll down to where you have custom HTML, then you hold it and you drag to where you want it to be placed. So this is where I want the button to be. So I'll post it here. So then I'll then post the code I copied from the Voguepay, my HTML code for my Voguepay button. I'll paste it here now. So now I've pasted it, and then the next thing is to click on save. So it has saved. So this is the button. You can see it here, the same button I created here. See it, the same button I created here. I've been able to bring it down to this place with the custom HTML feature on Thrive team. So I want to centralize. I want to put this button in the middle. So what I'll need to do is to come here and click on layer and positions, and then click on this part to make it centralized. So we've been able to create our button. So I don't need this button anymore, so I have to delete it. So now we have our Voguepay button on our order page. So when my subscribers come into this page and then they want to make online payments, all they'll need to do is just to come over to this place and then click on the button, and they will be sent straight to Voguepay, where they can make their payments with their credit card details. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you on the next video.